Now we will solve some typical questions from this modulus function about A2 levels for P3. Modulus 3x minus A is greater than 2 into modulus x plus 2A. We know that we have already done this topic in the modulus function. Then when there is modulus on both sides, then there is an equality sign also there. Then you have to use the completing square method. We know that x modulus is equal to x square root. So 3x minus a modulus means 3x minus a whole square and then square root, which is greater than 2 as it is, and x plus 2a modulus, so it will be x plus 2a whole square modulus. Now you will have to take the square on both sides. This will become 3x minus a whole square is greater than 2 square is 4, x plus 2a whole square. Now we will open it. This will become 9x square minus 6xa plus a square is greater than 4 into x square 4ax plus 4a square. This will become 9x square minus 6ax plus a square is greater than 4x square plus 16ax plus 16a square. Now we shift this left hand side to the right hand side. So 0 is greater than 4x square minus 9x square will become, so we shift this right hand side towards the left hand side. So 9x square minus 4x square is equal to 5x square minus 6ax, and this plus 16ax will come this side. That will become minus 22ax. Then plus a square minus 16a square will become 15a square. That is greater than 0 there. Now we will just write a word there, critical solution. Critical solution means that this inequality sign will become equal to 0. Now you will factorize this part there. There's negative sign between these, so it should be equal to 5x square plus 20 minus 25x plus 25ax plus 3ax minus 15a square is equal to 0. Now we will take the common from this and common from this part. This will become 5x is common. So it should be equal to 5x minus, sorry, 5x is common, x minus 5a. Here plus 3 is common and a along with that into, it should be x minus 5a there, and that is equal to 0. X minus 5a is common multiplied by 5x plus 3a is equal to 0. So either this is equal to 0, then x will be equal to 5a, or this is equal to 0, then x will be equal to minus 3a over 5. Now we will draw this graph there because a is positive. So it should be equal to minus 3a over 5 and this will be 5a there. As the coefficient of x square is positive, so the shape of this graph will be minima. And now because we need the value of this is as greater than 0, that means what positive values of x. So here it should be after 5a and before minus 3 over 5 is the answer of this. So we write this answer as x less than minus 3a over 5 or x greater than 5a. So this is the solution to this problem. Whereas in this portion it is below 0. So answer will be x less than minus 3a over 5 or x greater than 5a there. On the second question, 2x minus 3 modulus is less than 3x plus 2. There is modulus on one side and the other side is without modulus. So whenever this situation is there, then always use the completing square method for this in quadratic inequalities to solve this. So this will become 2x minus 3 whole square and then square root after removing this modulus is less than 3x plus 2. By taking square on both sides, 2x minus 3 whole square is less than 3x plus 2 whole square. This will become 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is less than 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Now shift this left hand side towards the right hand side. 0 is less than 9x square minus 4x square will become 5x square. 12x and this is minus 12x will become 24x. This is 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So 5x square plus 24x minus 5 is greater than 0. Then we use this word critical solution. That means what? That we will make this equation equal to 0. Then we can factorize this one. This will become 5x square plus 25x minus x minus 5 equal to 0. Or if 5x is common, then x plus 5 minus 1 is common, x plus 5 equal to 0. This will become x plus 5 into 5x minus 1 equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, then x value will be equal to minus 5. And if this is equal to 0, then x value will be equal to 1 over 5. Now we draw the graph of this. It should be equal to minus 5 and this is equal to 1 over 5 because coefficient of x square is positive. So shape will be minima. Now they are asking that it is less than, sorry, greater than 0. That means what? Positive. So where it is positive, before minus 5 and after 1 over 5, because in this shaded part it is negative. So x should be less than minus 5 or x should be greater than 1 over 5. But this is not the right answer of this question. We are going to verify this part by drawing the sketch of this whole part there. or by putting the numbers so that we can verify that it is true or wrong there. So y equal to 2x minus 3 modulus. This means this is 3 over 2, where is going to make the turn. And this is the graph of this y is equal to 2x minus 3. And y is equal to 3x plus 2. The graph of this will be like this. When we combine these two graphs, this value is there. Now, this value is basically equal to 3. Now, if we combine these two graphs, this is 3 by 2, and this one is 3 there. And if we combine the second graph on this, then it should be like this. Y equal to 3x plus 2 there. So this is the point where they are going to meet. So it means that this graph is more than this value after 1 over 5. So x should be more than 1 over 5 is the only solution to this problem for this inequality pair. But if we want to do it practically, we select x less than minus 5. So we can put any value for less than minus 5. Let's say it is minus 6. So it should be 2 into minus 6 minus 3 modulus is less than 3 into minus 6 plus 2. This will become minus 12 minus 3 minus 15 modulus is less than minus 12 minus 18 plus 2. So 15 is less than minus 16, which is wrong there. So this option will be rejected there. Then we select the second option, which is x greater than 1 over 5. Now we can put any value 1 there. So if we put 1 for that, 2 into 1 minus 6 is less than 3 into 1 minus plus 2 there. So this will become minus 1 modulus is less than 5, or 1 is less than 5, which is true there. So that means x should be greater than 1 over 5. So this is the way that whenever you have been given the inequalities, then you have to check the answer either with the graphical method or with the help of the calculus method there. So only one answer is there, that is x should be greater than 1 over 5. If we look at the graph, after 1 over 5, this function is always more than the value of this modulus function there. So keep this thing in your mind that whenever there are modulus on one side and the general equation on the other side, or there are two modulus on both sides, then after finding the solution, you have to verify the solution with the help of the sketch or with the help of the calculation.